hail-producing storm. This storm is severe, has golf ball size hail forming. This one is not severe, but that one over there is. That's the one I'm mainly looking out for. That's the one that is, that's the one that's concerning me. It is starting to rain as I can see. I'm getting a little, but yeah. So, yep. Guys, so I'm back. Here's the second storm right here. This storm is producing, some pretty good size hail, quarter size. I was saying that on the radio, and over there, that storm may not look like much, but it's producing golf ball size hail, and there's strong rotation, so it could possibly become tornado warned. But this storm right here is what I'm looking at, because we might get quarter size hail in just a second. But I'll update you guys here in a minute. This is a weather emergency. This storm 5 minutes ago was dropping DVD sized hail, which is 5 inches. Luckily the hail was downgraded to tennis ball, but we are going to get directly hit. If you are in Lubbock, you seriously need to be prepared, because this storm is possibly going to cause millions of dollars in damage. The hill core of this thing is over 9 miles wide. It is huge hail, and it's there right now in Smyre. There's golf ball to tennis ball size hail falling. Just not that long ago in Levelland, there was DVD sized hail falling. This is a weather emergency. This is serious, guys. This hail, if you are outside, you need to go indoors. This hail will severely injure you. If even worse, it will kill you if you're outside in this. It's dangerous. This is a weather emergency for Lubbock. If you are in Lubbock, Texas, Reese Center, Wolford, Texas, even Texas Tech. If you're at Texas Tech University, you need to go indoors immediately. If you are driving in a car, if you're in Lubbock right now, have time to go find shelter. Go to a parking garage. Get home. This is a serious storm. I'll be back when this hail gets here. Okay guys, I'll be recording the whole storm from my window, but we're gonna give you this image right here. But we're about to get hit by some tennis ball size hail. So here, let me get my phone in the perfect angle. So yeah, people outside need to move indoors now. This is a serious situation, and this is going to cost a lot of money for the residents who live in Lubbock, because the home insurance have gone up by 33% from the last hailstorm. So yeah, why won't my phone just stand? Here, hold on, I'm gonna take off I took off my phone case so my phone can stand, and that worked. Okay guys, it's gonna get bad. Yeah, that's all I have to say is if you're in Lubbock, prepare, because it's gonna get bad. I'm gonna record the whole storm. Yep, thunderstorms nearby. Here, I'm actually gonna check the radar one more time. Okay guys, in 3 minutes is when it starts, so just stay around. All right, y'all have fun watching. 3 minutes. comes. Yeah. Oh my God, it's about to get bad. It's about to get really bad. Yeah. Wait, no, because actually, yeah, just in case. Oh my God. I'm shaking. Oh God. Guys, this is like serious. Close all windows. Okay, guys. We will be recording. If it gets too bad, I'm gonna take it off the window. Oh my God. It's about to get so bad. I know it's gonna start off small. Quarter size hail falling. Oh my God. Look at the hail. You see it? Oh God. I see it bouncing. Here comes the hail. Please just be quarter. Oh no, it's gonna get bigger. It's quarter. Oh my God. I'm taking it outside. Dude. Watch out, box. I'm taking it outside to see this. Dude. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? It's not too bad. Oh, it's getting bigger. It's just getting bigger. Oh my God. Just stay like this. Don't get any bigger. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, it's gonna get so bad. Oh God. Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Please don't. Just stay quarter. We do not want tennis ball. Oh my God, I think it's getting smaller. I think we're fine. Oh my God, there's hail falling from there. I think the huge hail is gonna miss. Like barely. I'm gonna check radar, guys. I think we barely missed. I think it barely missed. Maybe. We're gonna go in the back. I think we barely got lucky. It came down as quarter, but not baseball. It shows we're not even like fully in it.
Oh, it's still coming in?
I think, I'm not sure. I'm gonna watch from the back. Oh my god, did we get... I think, dude, we probably got lucky, like barely. Oh, never know, Micah. Oh my god, we got lucky. I think. Yeah. Did we? Yeah, it's just really heavy rain. Oh, we got lucky. We got lucky. The hail barely missed, the major hail. I don't know, Micah's in Hobbs. He was just asking how the weather is down here. Huh? Oh, yeah, we do need gutters. Huh? Oh my god. I think we got lucky. Like, barely. Oh. Yeah, we barely got lucky. Dude. I'm glad it missed. It was like a last minute miss, I'm pretty sure. Alright guys, I think we got lucky. There'll be more hail in 8 minutes. Okay, so in 8 minutes, the second round will hit. I forgot sometimes the second round, most of the times the second round is worse. That's how it was in the baseball. Came out as golf ball, then baseball. Okay, go look and just watch until round 2 hits. I think the baseball and the tennis ball is gonna miss. Just got quarter. Almost, what is that? What is that over there? Oh. If you're in Wolford, Texas, I think that's where you're gonna get hit. We got lucky. We're gonna keep recording just for a minute. Because again, it could possibly be around 2. Not sure. I think we got lucky. I'm so glad. Wow. Now it's just that peaceful rain, nothing crazy. Like, we seriously got lucky. I don't know how, because we were about to get a direct hit, but we got lucky. I'm telling you. I can't believe how close we were to it. Like, I'm gonna go, and if anything else happens, I'm gonna re-record. Guys, it's starting to hail again. I saw a hailstone. Did we get lucky? Or are we actually about to get hit by the real thing? Oh my god. Close the window. Dude. Yeah. What?
Is this hail gonna
No.
get bigger?
I mean, yes.
Well, it looks like he's right about the round 2.
Yep. I was right. I don't know how big round 2 is going to get, but I don't think we'll get tennis ball. Yeah, you can see some good hail falling. Large hail. some quarter. Usually round 2 is worse. It's just quarter. Yeah, I think we're fine. No tennis ball. Oh my god. Oh, did I just see ping pong? I don't know. Oh my god. Oh my god. Luckily, it's just quarter size. It's not tennis ball. But there is hail flying everywhere. Oh my god. Jeez. Look at this. Here's the hail. My phone died in the middle of me recording. We barely got missed, guys. We barely got missed by the tennis balls. It's just very heavy rain now. And I wish I could give y'all a better, like... I can. Okay. Okay. What's wrong? Out there. Okay. Yeah, it's just quarter, like nickel to quarter size hail. What the heck? It won't go through. What the heck? Why isn't it like doing that thing? Alright, I don't know. Sorry, I can hear my dog. We got lucky. I'm happy the tennis ball size hail missed. I don't like tennis ball, baseball size hail. Bro, why is it doing this? Well, yeah, that thing. There we go. Or like... Phone's only at 1. Sorry, guys. Well, that was... We got so lucky. Show y'all a little bit more. It's just heavy rain. Alright guys, so my phone unfortunately is gonna die. So I am going to have to stop recording. And yeah. If it storms again, I will see you guys later. But yeah, hope you have a good rest of y'all's Tuesday and see you guys later.